Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We have completed the first phase of our first floor extension at our Masjid Northampton Mosque and Islamic Center in Clare Street. Alhamdulillah, we have raised 40,000 in the first 20 days of Ramadan. The last 10 nights have arrived, but we still need your help to reach our goal of 80,000. Maximize your reward this Ramadan. Your sadaqah will go towards the renovation of the masjids, including new carpets, sound and CCTV system, toilet facilities, and extra costs. All we need from you is to share the cost and contribute just £100. Donate just £100 towards the share of the cost today. Donate via the NMIC UK app or visit nmicuk.com/share. Jazakumullahu khair.